Emile Durkheim's suicide. Now, as you all know, that Emile Durkheim is famous for four important works. That is, The Division of Labor in Society, published in 1893. The Rules of Sociological Methods, published in 1895. Suicide, a Study of Sociology, published in 1897. And The Elementary Forms of Religious Life in 1912. So today I'll discuss about suicide, a study of sociology. So as we all know that suicide is considered as an act of killing oneself intentionally, और इसको normally psychological phenomena consider किया जाता है. But why Emile Durkheim chose this particular topic to study it sociologically, and how he has explained it sociologically is the concern, is the thing which I'll discuss. So why did Durkheim chose to study suicide, which is normally considered as a psychological phenomena? Now, पहला रीजन था बिकॉज इट्स अ कंक्रीट एंड अ स्पेसिफिक फिनोमिना जिसके ऊपर बहुत डाटा अवेलेबल था एट दैट पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम जब वो स्टडी कर रहा था, सोशियोलॉजी को इस्टेब्लिश करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे एज अ स्पेसिफिक डिसिप्लिन. Thirdly, generally it is considered as one of the most private and personal of acts. And in order to establish sociology as an academic discipline, suicide को sociologically explain किया और sociological aspect explain किया. So to demonstrate that suicide could not be explained by psychology alone, it can be explained sociologically also. So that is why this particular work is instrumental in establishing sociology as a separate academic discipline. Now, this particular book, Suicide, it is published in 1897, and his book is an analysis of a phenomena regarded as pathological, intended to throw light on the evil which threatens modern industrial societies. So this particular, at that particular point of time, jab Emile Durkheim, he was working on sociology and specifically on this particular phenomena, which is considered as pathological, which is considered as a problem in the society. And which type of society? That is modern industrial society. जो इस modern industrial society जो उस time पे emerge हो रही थी in Europe. So this particular phenomena was considered as a pathological condition. It was regarded as a problem, and it was threatening the modern industrial society. So that is the reason why he took this particular aspect to study. Next, suicide is an indication of disorganization of both individual as well as society. अगर suicide का rate society में ज़्यादा है, it shows, it depicts कि society में और एक individual में there is a problem. There is disorganization both in case of individual as well as in the society. So increasing number of suicides indicates something wrong somewhere in the social system of the concerned society. So if the rate of suicide is increasing, it means कि society में, social system में कोई problem है. So he was interested in explaining not why one particular individual commits suicide. He was interested in explaining why the rate of suicide varies from one society to the other society. तो क्यों वो rate vary करता है? That was the reason why he took up this particular subject. So thank you so much for listening.